Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Curious about Notion's brand new tabbed layout? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through setting up this powerful feature so you can organize your pages and databases more efficiently and take your Notion workspace to the next level. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or just love a tidy digital space, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to use tabs in Notion's gallery layout and understand some pros and cons to help you decide if it's right for you. Let's jump right in. First up, we're going to build a gallery view, which is the foundation of the new tabbed layout. Start by typing the / command, just hit /gallery right inside your Notion page. This instantly lets Notion know you want to create a gallery, a visual way to organize things, a bit like sticky notes on a corkboard. If you've never used galleries before, they're great for anything from a portfolio to a recipe collection, really, anything where you'd benefit from seeing your pages laid out with images at a glance. With your gallery block in place, Notion will prompt you to create a new page within the gallery. Go ahead and click New Page. Think of this like opening a fresh notebook. Each gallery item can hold notes, databases, or templates. You're essentially building your own personalized workspace here. Now, let's make it visually appealing and easier to spot by adding a cover. Click on your new page and hit Add Cover. You can upload a photo you love, use one of Notion's built-in options, or even just pick a nice color. Covers aren't just decorative, they help you scan and identify pages super quickly, especially when your gallery fills up. Next, let's add an icon. Click Add Icon at the top of your page. This is tiny, but think of it as a mini logo for your workspace. Maybe a book for reading lists, a checkmark for to-dos, a little calendar for schedules. These small touches go a long way in making your setup inviting and practical. Now for the core of the new update, click Customize Layout. This is where Notion's recent update shines. You'll notice a new feature called Tabbed. Take a second to appreciate this. Notion is giving us the ability to use tabs just like in a browser or your favorite notebook, but inside your workspace. Tabs help you declutter by grouping related databases, pages, or templates. Imagine having your weekly planner, budgeting sheet, and reading tracker all stacked as clickable tabs for easy switching. It's super simple to start adding content as new tabs. Inside the gallery or within your page, look for the plus button, click that, and you can add your existing database templates. Maybe you have a project tracking database, a content calendar, or a CRM board for contacts. Just pick the ones you want, add them as individual tabs, and they'll instantly appear so you can toggle between them without losing your place. Here's a pro tip. Once you're happy with how your tabs are set up, click Apply to all pages. This means every item in your gallery will use the same tab structure, saves time and keeps things consistent, especially if you have lots of pages and want a uniform look. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always go back to customize each item or switch up the tabs. Once it's all done, take a moment to explore. You'll see that you can seamlessly switch between your databases and templates by just clicking the tabs at the top. It feels a bit like flipping between sections in a binder, organized, quick, and visually clear. If you're managing workflows or collaborating on projects, this can make life a lot easier. But keep in mind, the tabbed layout may take a little getting used to if you've been working with classic pages. And there you have it, the new Notion tabbed layout, set up and ready to organize your digital life. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you troubleshoot or hear what you're building in Notion. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and deep dives into all the latest Notion features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.